Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this air fryer oven here. Fish sticks. Let's see, second floor. Floor number 2. Close it up. Power on. Fish. Start. All right. Timer's up. Look at those golden brown fish sticks here. Slide our little thing out. So these were a little already thawed, not frozen. So I'll put them on there. So these were already thawed, so probably the setting is for frozen, but still nice and crispy there, and well done. So that worked pretty good. Frozen French fries. Here we go. So level 2 for the French fries, right there says the 2. Slide those in as our French fries. So, oh, can't see it. That says 410, 2 minutes. So we're just gonna press this, hold on, find the French fries, press the fries button, and then hit the start button. That's all we gotta do. 20 minutes later, our fries should be done. These are frozen ones, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, timer's up. Take out our French fries here. So, default, looks like some get a little crispy there on the edges. So you can check, keep an eye on it if you want, but I'll have to test one out now real quick. So these are a little crunchy. So the default, obviously you can check them after a while. You don't have to let the entire time run. Check your fries depending on how crispy you like them or whatever. But well done. I like how you don't have to use oil everything to cook it. Excuse me, to cook these. So pretty delicious. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Okay friends, we made the fries, we made the fish sticks, now we got a pizza. I just use a regular tortilla, put some marinara sauce, throw some cheese on there, no toppings. I'm just gonna go with a cheese pizza this time. Pop it in the oven here on level 2, close the door, find our pizza button right there, and then we press our power start, and we're good to go. Well, we got a few minutes left, but it looks like it's ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out of the oven real quick. All right, the pizza is ready. Looks delicious, nice and crunchy on the bottom, and all done. So this is a really thin crust, just using a tortilla. With a regular crust, I could probably let it go the entire time, but really impressed with it, my friends. Cooks nicely, quickly, efficiently, easy to clean. This bottom portion, I can just pull it out and clean that. The trays are dishwasher safe. Water's easy to add into the side. It's just a handy little oven too. Probably uses a lot less energy than a giant oven. So if you just want to throw your things into this little thing, if you don't have a lot of people you're cooking for, this is a pretty nice addition to your kitchen. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it was helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I will see you all next time.